In this video, I will be showing you how to install Mozilla Firefox browser on Mac. So let's get started. First thing, just search for Mozilla Firefox. We'll be having the official link from firefox.com. Just select it. Here we'll be having download Firefox. Click it. The download will be getting started. It is around 147 MB in size, so just be patient. Once the download is complete, just open it. Just drop it inside applications. Once that is done, you can simply close it. And here we'll be having the apps. As you can see, we are having here Firefox. Select it. We'll be getting this welcome to Firefox. Just click on continue. And that's it. Here we can make some settings changes, like if you want to keep Firefox in the dock, you can keep it. If you want to set it as a default browser, you can. And if you want to import any data, you can do that. Just click on save and continue. And I don't need this. I'll just click on skip. Yep, just select start browsing. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. A lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.